Now we are going to talk about numeric inputs. Now we have various numeric inputs here. One is numeric text field. So let's take its example. Now this is the text field. Now where we can use that, this is the it has an application where you want to change the value inside the PLC, where you want to input the value in the PLC. For example, this is a timer being run by this bit B3:0, and we have some preset value which is 0. Now I want to change this value using the SCADA screen. This is you can say that if you want to change the set point. This is very important. Many of the SCADA screen you will find a set point in process value. So this is how you can add the set point by taking numeric text field. Okay, so now to link that with, I'm showing you the example with timers because it's for the demonstration again. If you're having the temperature set point value in the PLC program, you can link that with that address. Okay, so in this example we are going to change the timer of preset time of this timer. So we have to make a tag first for the preset. So you can go to tags, new tag, OPC tag. Select your server and select the device. From device, select the timer. From the timer, select preset. So the preset. And I can rename it as time preset. Okay. This is the preset. Now time preset is here. I'm going to tag it here. So if I change the value in this preset, I'll go to run. This is 0. I'll put 5 and press enter. Gateway okay, now if you find some error like that, it says communication is not read write. In that case, you can go to communication is read only, make it read write. Okay. Now when you put 5 here, you can see 5 is coming to the preset. Now let's take few more buttons and design this whole screen to control and monitor. So I'll take 2-state toggle button. This must be tagged with B3:0/0, which we must be having here, I'm sure. Yeah, this is the same tag. Put start here. This is the time value. And I can label that here, and I can put here preset time. Preset time. This is the preset time. If you want to see the accumulated time, you can show that using an LED display here. And you can take another label and you can put it here, the text accumulator time, or you can say real time or the current time. Okay, whatever you feel like writing, you can write it here. So let me just align it. This is my start button, and this should be given the tag of accumulator. Perfect. So this is at 5, this is at 0, timer done bit, and this is the output. If you want to see the output, you can take a multi-state indicator. This will show you the status of output. For output, I need to define a new tag. I'll go to OPC. I'll make it output and select the server. Then select the output from the devices. O:0/0 is here. Click OK, apply, and close. Now you have this output tag. Drag it here. Okay. Now go to run. In this case, this is 5 because this is 5, this is 0. Now start the input. It is on. Timer is running. You can see the timer here. When the timer goes 5 and the output goes on, you can see output is on here. You can change this text auto to on, whatever you want. You can turn it off again. Now suppose I want the timer to 10 seconds. I'll enter 10 and press enter. The moment you press enter, you have 10 here. Now it will go up to 10. Starting from 1 and 2 and 3. As I told you, we usually have delays in reading the values. So when it goes 10, this will be reflected here. Alright, so this was a numeric input, one way of entering the numeric input. Okay, the another way could be, you can remove this one. You can have a spinner. This is a spinner. Okay, in spinner I'm going to again give it a preset value, go to online, and you can reduce the value from here. You can go up to 6. This is at 6. So this is like you're having a button. You can always make it bigger like this. Now you're having a button by which you can increment and decrement the values. Okay, yes, this is the same thing. Another way to input the value could be a slider. Okay, so this is my slider. This slider is having a range of, wait a second, 0 to 100. So when I turn it on, this is at 0, so this is at 0. Okay, this is already at 9. So let me just tag it with first preset. So this is tagged. Now I can change the value. 47, this is 47. 200 and 19. Even if the timer is running, I can still change the time. I can go in between. And if you want to visually see the time value, so you can go to numeric display. You can go to numeric label over here, just a little button here, and you can have timer preset here. This is 63. So the timer is at 63. Okay, go to run, and this will show you the value of this timer. 45, this is at 45. It's a timer. Okay, if you change it, 77, this is 77. So this is a slider with a text display. So it's up to you how innovatively you design the screen to give a good user interface to the operator. So this was about giving numeric input in 3 different ways: by slider, by spinner, and by numeric text label, text field. Okay, if you have any doubt in giving the numeric inputs, you can get back to me. I'll get back to you later. Now in the further videos, we are going to make some projects to have a fully functional SCADA screen to control and monitor various processes. Okay, thank you so much.